Welcome back with a new math tutorial. In this video we are talking about multiplying and dividing monomials. At the first, what is the meaning of the monomial? Monomial is the expression which is formed from one term. So to multiply or divide monomial we have a rule. At the first, look at the base. If the two bases are equal, then we add the power. So suppose that we have a raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n. Just we will add the power. So the answer now will be equals a to the power m plus n. You will find that when we have 2 raised to the power 4 times 2 to the power 3, just we will write the base without any change. So we will add the power, so the answer now will be equal 2 to the power 7. In dividing also we have the same. Once we have the same base, so we will subtract the power. So a to the power m divided by a to the power n. All what we have to do, just we will subtract the power. So the answer now would be equals a to the power m minus n. Suppose that we have 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 3. So the answer now would be equal 3 and we will subtract the power. Just write the base, then we subtract the power, so the answer now would be equals 3 to the power 4. You will find that in the first question. We need to simplify each expression using the laws of exponents. So in question number 1 we have 5 to the power 2 times 5. Once you didn't find any power, it's mean now the power will be equals 1. Because we have the same base, so just write the base without any change. Now we will add the power. So because we have the same base, so just write it and add the power. So 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So the answer now will be equals 5 to the power 3. In question number 2 we have c to the power 3 times c to the power 5. The two monomials have the same base, which is c. And we need to multiply, so we just add the power, so the answer now will be equals c to the power 8. By the same way in question number 3, negative 3x to the power 2 times 4x to the power 5. Just we will multiply the numbers together. Negative 3 times 4 equals to negative 12. X power 2 times x power 5, they have the same base, just rewrite x. 2 plus 5 equal to 7. So the answer now will be equals negative 12x to the power 7. In question number 4, we have 9 power 3 times 9 power 2. The two monomials have the same base, so we just write it. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So the answer now will be equals 9 to the power 5. In question number 5, we have a power 3 times a power 2. Just we will write a and add the power, so the answer now will be equals a to the power 5. By the same in question number 6, 4 power 5 times 4 power 3. Just write 4 and add the power, so the answer now will be equals 4 to the power 8. By the same in question number 7, just write the same base and add the power, so the answer now will be equals negative 6 to the power 7. In question number 8 we have negative 2m multiplied by negative 8m power 5. Just we will multiply the numbers together. Negative 2 times negative 8 equal to 60. M times m power 5. There is no power for m, it's mean the power is power 1. So m power 1 times m power 5, the answer now would be equals m power 6. In multiplication, we just add the power. Negative 2a multiplied by 3a to the power 4. So negative 2 times 3 equals to negative 6. A times a power 4, just we write a. There is no power for a, it's mean the power is 1. 1 plus 4 equals to 5. So the answer now would be equals negative 6a to the power 5. In question number 10, we have negative 4a power 5 multiplied by 6a power 5. Negative 4 times 6 equals to negative 24. And a power 5 times a power 5, the answer now would be equals a power 10. In question number 11, we have negative 7a power 4 b c power 3 times 5a b power 4 c power 2. At the first, we just multiply the numbers. Negative 7 times 5 equal to negative 35. Now a power 4 times a, the answer will be equals a power 5. b times b power 4, it will be b power 5. c power 3 times c power 2, the answer now will be equals c to the power 5. In question number 15, we have x to the power 10 over x power 3. Over it means we need to divide. In multiplication, we just add the power if they have the same base. But in division, we will subtract the power. So x power 10 divided by x power 3, just we will write x. and 10 minus 3 equal to 7. In division, we subtract the power. By the same, we have 8 to the power 15 divided by 8 power 13. Just write 8 and subtract the power, so it will be equals 8 to the power 2. In question number 17, 12w to the power 5 divided by 2w. At the first, we will divide the number by the number. 12 divided by 2, it will be equal to 6. W power 5 divided by w, just we write w. We will subtract the power because we divide. 5 minus 1 equals to 4. Because we said once there is no power, it means the power will be equals to 1. In question number 18, 24k power of 9 divided by 6k power 6. 24 divided by 6, the answer now will be equals 4. K power 9 divided by k power 6, it will be equals k power 3. 16t power 4 divided by 8t. 16 divided by 8 equals 2. T power 4 divided by t, it will be t power 3. In question 29, 5 power 3 times 7 power 5 times 10 over 5 times 7 power 4. At the first, just look at the numbers which have the same base. We have 5 power 3 and 5. Just we write 5. 3 minus 1 equals 2, because in dividing we just subtract the power. Now we have 7, so just write 7. 5 minus 4 equals 1 times. There is only one 10, so we just write it without any change. Now we need to multiply. 5 power 2 times 7 times 10, the answer now will be equals 1750. In question number 30, at the first we have negative 3 to the power 2 times 4 to the power 3 times negative 1 to the power 8 divided by 4 times negative 1 to the power 5. At the first, there is only negative 3 to the power 2, so we will write it without any change. Times. We have 4 up and 4 down. It means we will divide. Just write 4. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Times. We have negative 1. 8 minus 5 will be equal to 3. By multiplying, you will find that the answer now would be equals negative 144. In question number 31, 2 power 5 times 3 power 5 times 5 to the power 2 divided by 2 power 2 times 3 power 4 times 5. We have 2 up and 2 down, just we write 2. And we will subtract the power, so it will be equal to 3 times. We have 3 up and 3 down. Then we just write 3. Then we subtract. Because in dividing, we just subtract the power. But in multiplying, we will add the power. That's only if the two bases are equal. We can say I will just add the power because we have 2 and 3. But the bases are not equal, so we can't add the power. Only we will add the power or subtract the power if they have the same base. So we just write 3, then subtract. 5 minus 4 will be equals to 1. We will not write 1. Now we have 5 to the power 2 divided by 5. So we just write 5, and the 2 minus 1 equals 1. By multiplying, you will find that the answer will be equals to 120. Now we have question number 32. 3 power 4 times 5 power 2 times 7 to the power 5 divided by 3 power 2 times 5 times 7 to the power 3. Just we will write 3. Now we will subtract, so it will be 2 times 5 up and 5 down, so we just write it and subtract the power, so it will be power 1. If you need to write it, you can write it. If you don't want to write it, you don't have to do it. Now we have 7. Just write 7 and subtract the power, so it will be equals to 2. Now by multiplying, you will find that the answer will be equal 350. In this problem, we need to find the missing exponent. Now we have 6 raised to the unknown times 6 to the power 3 to make the answer equals to 5. At the first one, instead of the unknown, I'll just write x. Because we have here the same base, so we just add the power. It means we have the number x. If we add it to 3, the answer now will be equals to 5. By solving the equation, just we will subtract 3. You will find that the answer now will be equals to, again one more time, p to the power 3 times p to the power x times p to the power 2 equals p to the power 9. Because all of them are multiplying, so we will add the power. It means 3 plus x plus 2. The answer now will be equals 9. So we have here x plus 5. It will be equals 9. By subtracting 5, its mean x now will be equals 4. By the same, we have 3x raised to the power t times 4x to the power 3 equals to 12x to the power 12. At the first, we just multiply 3 times 4 equals to 12. Then we will add the power because they have the same base, and we multiply, then we add the power. So we have t plus 3. The answer now will be equals to 12. By subtracting 3, so it will be equals to 9. So the value of the unknown now will be equals to 9. In question number 43, now the unknown is x. Because we divide, so we will subtract. It's mean x minus 2, the answer now will be equals 4. By adding 2, it's mean now x is equal to 6. And that's how can we find the value of the missing exponent.